moving. Doing it. Can I count it off? Get up there. See, you know. Good feeling. Yeah. You know what? Wait a minute. Do the same thing again. 1, 2, 3. Put it on him! Put it on him! Michael Jackson, let us go! Michael Jackson!
Nobody has influenced me more than this man right here.
You know, years ago, Little Mike, and I remember, he did a lot of James Brown steps, but then later on, he got his own steps. And that's what it's about. God bless the child has got his own. I love him, but not as much as he loved him.
I love you more.
Oh!
You taught me everything.
Well, Michael, we all know that you went on and did a lot of things yourself.
This is Ice Cube, and you checking out Black Tree Media. It don't stop. Yay, yay.